Hello everyone, my name is Vialetta Anggraeni Putri. I'm from Migas Vocational High School in Cepu, majoring in Oil and Gas and Petrochemical Refinery Engineering, or we call PMP. So yeah, let's go. I'll show you how the distillation process is. First, do you guys know what distillation is? Well, distillation is a method of separating the mixtures of chemicals based on differences of their boiling point. For today, I'm using a mixture chemical of Aquadest and alcohol, and my plan is got an alcohol distillate with high percentage. So for the heating process, I'll keep in 72 degrees Celsius, and let's see how much I got the percentage. For the tool and ingredient, we need Vaseline, a connection, thermometer, condenser, distillation adapter, pipette, measuring cylinder with mixed alcohol and Aquadest, beaker glass, distillation flask, heating mantle, a bucket of water, hose, and water pump. And also we need condenser holder. Before we do the distillation, we have to search the percentage of the mixture chemicals. First, we weigh the empty pignometer, then write it on the book. Second, put 10 ml of the mixture chemical into the pignometer. Weigh it, then write it on the book. By using the density formula and table, we got the mixture chemical is 77%. After got the percentage, we put the mixed chemical to the distillation flask. Then put it back on the heating mantle. Now set all the pairs of the distillation process. Don't forget to use a Vaseline so the two won't be sticky each other. Well, this one is the manual distillation. Then paint the hose. Plug the heating mantle cable and see. Okay, now it's turned on. Then plug the water pump cable. Then the water will flow like this. Now we turn on the heater. The green indicator will turn on if you turn on the heater. Then wait until it's vaporizing. We keep the temperature in 72 degrees Celsius to make sure we got the pure alcohol. We can just twice it to rise and lower the temperature. How it works? Well, Aquadest have 100 degrees Celsius and alcohol have 78 degrees Celsius. We put the mixed chemical in only 72 degrees, so the first liquid who may vaporizing first, it must be the pure alcohol. So after vaporizing, the vapor will go to the condenser to get a cooling and turn it back into a liquid. The alcohol liquid that we got will be tested again to see the percentage. After 45 minutes, we got the first distillate. And wait until 1 hour. After 1 hour long, I got 10 milliliters of alcohol distillate. This is the end of distillation process, so let's go on the next step. The next step is we search the percentage of the alcohol distillate using pignometer, density formula, and alcohol table like the first one. And tada! We got 94% of this alcohol distillation. Okay everyone, that's my tutorial project. Thank you and keep working!